and welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen and Living. Of course, today I'm not in my kitchen, but I'm in my office today. And today I thought of sharing with you all office chair makeover. As you can see, I have this chair completely worn out, but physically it's completely fit. The cushion is also in great condition, so I thought I just want to remodel this office chair. So let's get started. So I ordered a couple of things from Amazon. I will put all the links under this video description. So basically we are going to remodel this chair for around just $15. So I ordered, of course I'm not doing a lot of things on my own. That would take a lot of time, like sewing the cover for the whole chair, including the arms. So I found some great deals on Amazon, and I thought they are very reasonable. So I just went ahead and bought these two items, which I'm going to show you. So these are the covers for the arms, and this is the cover for the chair, the seating and this back part. So let's open this up. Alright, so this came with the instruction on one side, and the other side it has the information about this cover. So sounds like it's pretty easy. So yeah, there's a zipper on the sides as it says in the instruction, and so let's put this on the side and let's try it out. So putting this on, so obviously just observe how it's going to fit. And the zippers are actually like really like kind of a sturdy one. As you can see, it's a very sturdy zipper. Alright, so it has zippers on both sides here. So let's open it up, just like how you would zipper your jacket. So be sure to open it like this, and as it says in the instruction, let's slide it first on the back. This is completely washable, and they come in a variety of colors. So if you are looking into changing actually the entire color of the chair, then you can do that. So like that, and then cover the front, the seating, and then we're going to zip it. But before that, just to make sure that it's good. And then so here you can see that there's this rubber that helps to stretch really well, so you can do that. Okay, so now we are going to zip it. So now find the zipper and secure with the zipper. Now hope I can zip it. Oh no, it's not difficult actually. Awesome. So our one side is covered like so. Now we're going to do the other side. Now just adjust everything, tuck everything inside so that there's no wrinkle. And the next thing we're going to do is work on arms. And I really love the texture of this cover. It has like a little bit of like a cushy, so let's put this on arms now. So just stretch around. Awesome, look at this. Doesn't it look amazing? I'm so happy for this product. I really love the texture. I just wish that there was the similar texture for this. I'm sure they might have it. It's just that maybe I was not able to have a look at it, and I just bought this one, but it's fine. It will work out perfect. Alright, so this is the chair after it got its makeover. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for many new recipes, tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon.